Hey, Amazon, remember when I said I wanted this Motone fender eliminator for the Triumph Bonneville? I might have lied. What up guys, it's Adrian from YouMotorcycle. Today's video, we're going to be putting on this Motone fender eliminator for the Bonneville behind me. It was actually originally purchased for a different, much uglier Bonneville. This Bonneville, I think, is actually super pretty and pretty nice. So I don't know if I actually want to mess with it or if I just want to leave it alone. I'm willing to try it because this does come with like factory plug and play stuff, so I don't need to necessarily cut any of the wiring, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can let me know at the end of the video what you think. I'll do a quick walk around of this bike and then I'll do a walk around of it with the eliminator on, and please let me know in the comments what you guys prefer. So here's a little walk around of the bike before. So I think eliminating this brake light is going to be great. I don't know if I really hate the fender though. The fender looks kind of good to me. And obviously the back, there is quite a bit of fender stuff going on. Yeah. We'll see. All right, so I just did the walk around tour, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm already having second thoughts about taking this thing apart. But fuck it, let's just do it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is take this seat off. It looks like I need some Torx. I just used a 5mm. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, this is all just one solid piece. The wire all seems to go through here. Along here, comes out this way where it's just a little clip. And I think that clip is what we'll be replacing. Because what we have now is this harness right here, which looks as though it should just plug right in. And it fits. But the fact it doesn't come with instructions is kind of shitty in my opinion. Let's see if this lines up. Ooh. The main piece I still need to work out is stoplight right here. I gotta try to figure out which color is which. So it's saying brake light is blue, running light is red, earth is black. All right. Might have that backwards. So as it turns out, red and yellow are actually crossed. Red to red won't make it work. But at least we know we got the taillight working. All right, so here we are for the grand reveal. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Is this an improvement? Is this a step backwards? Have I done the right thing? I didn't really install it 100%. I still got a bunch of spacers left over just in case I end up not keeping this. I had to put a license plate on here that I found in the garage just because I was like, does my plate even fit? If I go over a bump, I don't know if it's gonna bottom out against the tire or not. I do like the old school stoplight. I think overall it does make the bike look a little less big, a little smaller. Let me know what you guys think. Did I waste my time? Was I better with the original fender? Should I put the original fender back? Obviously, I know this is not going to be as good in the rain, but very rarely do I ever find myself riding in the rain these days. So yeah, please leave a comment. Let me know. Do you like it better with the eliminator, or do you like it better with the fender? And I'm not opposed to keeping the bike looking stock. If that's a better look, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment because, yeah, I'm really on the fence about this. So usually I don't care for popularity, but in this case, popularity might sway me one way or the other. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace.